guys know that it takes an average of 23 minutes to get back into focus after an interruption? That is hours of productivity lost every week just trying to remember context. Hello, I'm Tia Verma, and my app Context Keeper solves exactly this. So, like in the world of software development, focus is everything, right? But the reality is that developers are constantly interrupted. Like we switch between bugs, features, and meetings multiple times a day. And the cost of this context switching is very high. Like every time we leave a ticket, we lose our mental state, and when we return, we waste valuable minutes just trying to remember like which branch I was working on, or where is the API documentation, and what is the status of the pull request. And this friction breaks our flow and lowers productivity. So that is where Context Keeper comes in, and it solves this exact problem by bringing your workspace directly inside the Jira issue. Let me demonstrate. Let's say I'm currently working on this fix, and before I switch task, I use Context Keeper to pin my essential resources. And I have my details ready, so I'll simply input the relevant details like get branch and documentation URL. Okay, so the details are here, and right now there are zero items in the saved section. And okay, so like when we click the save button, the data is instantly stored using the Atlassian Code's storage API, and like we have saved this, and it is here as you can see. Let's say now when I or even a teammate open this ticket later, the context is immediately available. There is no need to hunt through Slack messages or browser history. Like they can simply copy the branch name to the terminal and open the PR in split second, and it effectively reduces the setup time for any task to zero. And once the task is merged or done, you can simply remove the entry to keep the issue clean. And we can add multiple context here, and after completing the task, we can simply remove it. So don't let a simple interruption cost you another 23 minutes. With Context Keeper, you can save your time and protect your flow. So that was all about this app. Thank you.